One of the challenges with how software engineering is kind of approached in some big companies is they focus on outcomes and they focus on metrics. There's lots of indications in our industry that software engineers are burned out. Building the company was my homage to this concept of let's get a set of ideas in place and let's build teams around those ideologies and let's put them in a generative culture and let's see what they do.
I've worked here about 2.5 years. I was initially drawn to 7Factor because of the company culture. Everyone wants to help each other. We want each other to learn and grow better in software.
One of the biggest things I like about working at 7Factor is the diversity in projects and the diversity of clients that we get to work with. There's never a moment when I get tired of working with something because in the 2 years that I've been here, I've learned more than the other 10 years of my career combined.
To me, working at 7Factor is kind of like a super nerdy version of the NFL because you're going to be drafted to different projects where you're going to work super closely with a team in kind of like a high performance environment. You're going to be moving potentially between different projects, learning different skills.
What separates us from some of the other companies that do what we do is smaller team sizes. What you get from that is higher performing, more accountable teams, people that care about what they're doing, people that learn from one another. Not only do smaller teams net you a better result, it nets you a faster result, and it also nets you the small tribe of humans that really know a lot about what they're trying to solve for you.
With a small team, your voice will be heard because there's only so many people that you're working with. There's no like red tape. You can just say, hey, I think I found a better way to do this, and then you can just change it and you can just keep moving and improving.
One of my favorite things about working at 7Factor is that we're able to work really closely with clients. So we're able to get immediate feedback on things that we create as well as incorporate new ideas really quickly.
One thing that we say here at 7Factor is our clients are our partners, and we mean that from the bottom of our hearts. With 7Factor, you're going to get a partner that's going to hold your hand from the beginning to the finish line. We're going to make sure that you're getting to that end result, and we're bringing that project to completion and getting you to MVP, to launch, whatever success looks like for your company.
Just in the time that I've been here, 7Factor has almost quadrupled. I'm genuinely very excited to see where 7Factor can go because it changes all the time and we're always getting bigger and better.
What excites me the most about 7Factor's future is the people that we're gonna get to work with. It sounds hokey, but honestly, we are who we are because of the folks we've hired.
What about you most about my coworkers is just the genuine curiosity and the collaboration that we have together.
Our teams are brilliant and we're all growing and looking forward to the success and growth of 7Factor.
7Factor isn't a place that you're gonna work at and stay the same. That's just not a part of who we are. I've grown here so much. It's a great place to see where you can go and where your strengths are.
Being a part of the 7Factor team is awe-inspiring some days. Listening to our engineers come up with the best solution to a problem, it's amazing to be a part of that team and be a part of that process.
I can't tell you what we're gonna be in 10 years, but I can tell you that we're gonna hire more excellent people. We're gonna grow the company and we're gonna be a better team for it. And we're gonna have a lot of really awesome, smart people that work here that are gonna be solving cool problems.